Welcome to my channel. D-Link AQUILA Pro AI M95 installation and mesh setup. Unbox the AQUILA Pro AI M95 router and plug it into a power outlet. Connect the router to your modem using the included Ethernet cable, WAN port. Wait for the LED light to turn solid white. This means it's ready for setup. Download the D-Link AQUILA Pro AI app from Play Store or App Store. Open the app and create or log into your D-Link account. Tap Add Device and scan the QR code under your router. Follow on-screen steps to name your Wi-Fi and set a password. To add mesh nodes, plug them in nearby and wait for LED to blink white. In the app, tap Add Extender Node and follow the instructions. Once setup is done, place nodes across your home for best coverage. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. See you in the next video.